The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everybody, what is up? This is Tando Mash, Son of the Wave. You go if you're running drunk off this wave. Welcome to the girls show. I'm not sure which episode it is, but gay episode. I'm not even sure when you're gonna see this, cause it's Women's Month right now, and obviously in True Girls Show we have to sit down and talk to women in power, such as myself. Okay, listen here. Do you want to do a little photo shoot for your little birthday? Your little baby girl, your little baby boy got a birthday. You want to do a photo shoot? We got you. We got that for you. You want some marketing services? We got that for you. We got everything for you at AMP. If you would like to use our services, what's our email? Like our main email? No, but again. Marketing at Marketing at adlibprojects.co.za. That is the email. You send the email, okay? Or you can go to Facebook and you can find me. I'm Tando Mash on Instagram. It's Tando Posts here. You can find us on any social media platform besides the dark place formerly known as Twitter. We're About Play the Podcast. You can just send a message over there, DM us, and we will respond and we'll be in touch. Okay. As I said today, we've got women in power. Empowerment. Amandla. Siyawethula amandla lawa siyaphakama njengabantu besifazane. Yayibona le nto. Isime ngenyawo ebese
asifuni ngathi.
Asifuni ebese siyabambana bese siba imbuyimba. Join me. Right now I've got it's not a stranger to the channel. We've got Uma 2K Womdanto. We've got Mama 2K. We've got angisho ngicela ukuthi bese hayiba ayishayela lapha ishayela into
Excellent bafethu, it's your lady Uma 2K, umama 2000, ukapteni womdanso, umongameli, the one and only. Yeah, yimina lona but igama lami lamampela guys nguMatukolo. Abangaziyo Matukolo kamama akhe, but ke abantu abangaziyo bangibiza ngoma 2K, umama 2000. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm so happy that you're here. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I don't want to show the excitement because big heads and stuff. But anyway, I also want Tukulu to join us today because I want us to talk about, mostly about the challenges that we face in the East Rand, obviously, because that's where we're from, as women in entertainment and just as women in power. Women who are doing big things. And I want us to talk about those things. I just want us to have a conversation. So I want you to be comfortable. It's not an interview. We're having a conversation. I just want you to relax. This is a safe space. This is a safe space.
It feels safe.
Girl, I know.
Girl, I see a wine and I'm like, seriously, no good.
Oh my
So obviously
God.
I'm gonna feel safe.
We've got my favorite wine over here. I mean, it's not a corkscrew, but but yeah. I really love Chappelle's Sweet Red, so we're gonna have some. So go now, we'll grab a glass off, or you're gonna get a cup of
Coffee.
Yeah,
Or a glass of
something. Get yourself a beverage.
Yeah. Plus it's Sunday. Sundays are for lovers.
Yes, Sundays are for lovers.
Yeah.
Tata ilava yakho
uyibambelela umama mfake ekhwapheni.
Uyayibona?
Uyibukela on Sunday.
Uyayibona?
Yeah.
Yes. No, so Matuke, I want to know, right? Okay, obviously we've asked you, hey, how did you start dancing? I want to know, what the most difficult part of umsebenzi wakho is, because thina siyibona masojive ukuthi hayi kuyajiviwa ke manje yabo.
Kumnandi.
Yeah, kumnandi. I want to know those parts where you like, yo, the people don't know about ukuthi yabo ukuthi yo ayi mara ya.
Ziyabuya.
Yeah.
Yeah, yo, ziyabuya actually.
Yeah.
Ziyabuya kukho mnandi. Even ukujiva, even like ukujiva, yo guys. And then like nangapha ngiyakhula, I'm gaining weight. So amanye ama-jiving nokuthi oh ngishaye ibosho ngisukume kudaba somntwana bami hayi mathukiya unamntwana. Yabo so ziyabuya in every way. And I believe ukuthi yonke into oyithandayo like yeah ziyabuya ukuze ibe sharp yabo. So umele ubekezele lokho kubuya. So well, I'm still facing a lot of things since ngumajayivani ngu-entertainment because khona izinto mawuziyenza ne uzitshela ukuthi zi-right kanti azikho right because you need guidance.
Yes.
So we don't have that, especially emakasi yabo. We have abantu abathi uphethe department ethize for those things, but akunama-program ayenzakalayo, amahholo ahlobisile, we don't know anything ukuthi hayi ni dance group you need to register yourself guys ukuthi nithole iponsa nani yabo. So ezinye izinto ugcina ngikhiphe emalini yami ukuthi i-dance group yami mele ibe ney'mpahla, mele sibe sharp. Obviously mabazosibiza mhlambe NGO, you know, we can't expect them to pay us. So nathi since i-dance group siphila eduduza, we want to give back. So in those situations mina ngikhiphe imali yami, and I'm also a student, nami ngiyagibela esikolweni ngifuna amazipho. So lapha ayibo mangabe bayabheda mina ngisileya nginje bahlale bangibona ngi-on. So
Angisho
bajayiva nabami namakawuza nembobo ayibo yabo. So like mina ngikhiphe epokothweni lami ukuthi babe grand. So ziyabuya but I believe ukuthi kumele ukhiphe imali ukuze uyenze imali.
Obviously.
Yeah,
Manje
so-
ibuya phela imali.
Well, I hustle, man. I'm selling pouches, guys, supports, screen protectors, earpods, nginphethe, even i-brand, guys, Kandu Cash, Cinebem. So nje ngilelo plug ngiyahasila mtansekhaya. Yeah.
No, ngathi ngike ngakubona u-actanyana ne. Angazi or bawugijima.
Ayisho mina njengoba ngukapteni mazikini.
Angisho nje ngiyibona
mkhumbini.
Yeah, ma.
So yonke into zamanzini ngiyayazi. So you
Yeah.
understand, I'm an MC, actress, dancer,
dancer, yes.
hostess, event organizer, I can say. So nje ngu-entertainment.
Yazi.
Like
Ngisajabulisa nabantu into. Yayibona?
you understand?
Yes.
Uzamela wazi ukuthi yiphi ezothi kuqala.
Yayibona?
yabo. So uzama. Zama.
Yazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngani? Yazi ukuthi mina le so siyasebenza la i-amp ngithi hayi yithi mos management ngithi si5. Oh, yisathi sabhekile mos sesinomphathi.
Mina nami phela ngithukile. Ngiyabona
Ayi,
ngiyashota ngisayibo khona ushoda.
Kanti manje
Kanti uphi?
Kanti manje
Ningicoshela kanjani boss? Like
Kasa kanjani boss phela siphethe thini? Siphethe.
Nimcoshela
Ubani?
boss.
Asikaze sixoshe umuntu ucabanga.
The king of the castle.
Ngizwa ngawe.
Phela mina
Ngizwa
nginazi ngaye phela remember mina bengingenazi.
Ngiyakhumbula, yes.
Yabo uNkulunkulu ungilethele nini.
Angisho yayibona John ukuthi manje yabo izinto amasihlangana lapha yana via spiritually.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then ngapha benina boss.
Ngapha sine boss ka. Yo like guys sine boss. Like guys sine boss. Like ningasiboni nje C4 so 5 but 4. Ningasiboni nje sinje siphethwe guys.
Mara sadly niphethwe angiyiboni boss and I was expecting the invite from the boss.
No, angisho kusho ukuthi yena bekumele ukuthi ahambe aye overseas.
Oh, ayosebenza.
Ayosebenza manje yabo khona enye beyifuna yena besnik yabo beyifuna yena itself ukuthi akabe khona lapha yabo. So akakwazanga ukuthi abe khona njengoba ungamboni nje namhlanje akukwazanga ukuthi abe khona esishemi.
I thought uzojabula ukuthi ngiyeza eze because like ngiyamvuna yabo. Ngizongitshela wena since kuyiboss.
No, ngitshele ngicela ukuthi umcebe thina somlungisa njengabasebenzi bakhe ukuthi kanti
uyenza kanjani?
Wazisha.
Hayibo.
Kwenzakalani?
Well, Mina, I didn't know you guys, and I'm glad I do now.
Oh man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
good
yeah, unfortunately, silesazana ngiyehlehlani
Yes.
ngeke nize ngiyecrocodile
Angisho. Angisho.
nize nizonguma
Woo. Woo.
so yeah guys apparently mina ngazi ukuthi nina niphethwe actually like le mic le boss and it's very nice boss yena vele ithengela ngiyabuza uma boss yena onizithengela ayi boss obvious ise overseas nangaphi yenza imali thenga ama mic madla they're very nice so iboss yenu yangitshela ukuthi ya iboss yenu obviously so
Yes.
yeah nganibona nani neboss yenu so nami ngakholwa phela hayi boss le hayi boss present iboss ke bengisiza because on my shows actually my show
Yes.
italent elibhayekasi which is my NPO organization. I'm not alone, I have a team. Shout out to my mom as a treasurer. Shout out to Sbusiso as a motherland. He's a secretary.
Okay.
Yes. And then shout out to Utalang Mate, my manager. So
Black
yes,
Access Media.
he's part of the directors as well. And then we have a team, Abolebu, I can't say
Yeah.
wonke, but yeah, shout out to the team, Talented by guys. So yeah, before the team, I had Iposienu as a partner, not really a team. It's just a partner.
Okay.
So
Yabona-
Iposienu shemi yasebenza shemi inami. Like Iposienu they young impressed because yabo beyitika like wonke lamathikla ngamabox ankukuthi manayi man. Ayibona ngapha ukhona ukuletha ama camera like
Oh, wait, no, so my camera.
camera.
Yazi ne. Uyamazi ufana Mary.
Funny man.
Angisho ufana Mary. Umkhulu wakhe uboss. Beka yi best friend ngafana Mary. Makabona umkhulu wakaboss. Bekathi gogo. Uyayibona?
That's why nalenqondo yakafanda me.
Unenqondo ngafana Mary.
Ayibona nemeko uphi namhlanje? Akekho.
Angisho ngikutshela ukuthi uthe phesheya kwesilwane. Uyayibona? So angitsheli. Iza kanjani kanti? Ithini kahle kahle into yena ngoba mina sengibona lapha kuma Facebook, uchubekani nisibhale kuma Facebook. Ukuthi manje wena wa texta mina mara wena ngitexte wena mina njani mara kanzakalani?
Like I feel like eduduza ne. Kwafika i-aeroplane. Yathela the spirits esimbi. So if vele umubi, uvele waba mubi worse.
Yes.
Because like abantu baseduduza mina ngibazi bacabanga kanjani. Like I feel like ingqondo zabo zibuyela
Emuva, yeah.
Yeah, because according to me, I saw him as umuntu obig. Yabo bengimrespect ngaleyo ndlela like his stuff. Because the first time mazi ngambona yo as imhlabi mara eduduza as like abantu abekho like guys eduduza ne right. Like ngibuye eduduza ne like I feel like ang belong khona because like wow abekho right. Okay. How I met Ukista. I met him through
Uboss. Yes.
Mara bayamazi ukuthi ukid stuff guys. Ukid stuff or king.
Angimazi nalo muntu esikhulu. Ubani lo?
Well, ngithema ngimthola bathi ukid stuff. Abanye bathi king stuff. So I don't know between the two. Shukuthi uphila impilo eyiningi njengobushilo ukuthi nanimazi njengoboss use-overseas.
Yeah.
Singanazisa ke igama lakhe but ngathi two. So they know him because obviously they use social media, so they know. So angimhlebi, hi, king, kid, angihlebi.
Lokza.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boss. Yeah.
Yes.
So boss again.
I'm listening.
Okay, ngimazi ku show nalo ngifuna ukumusho shem. Ngimazi ku show yaka Esau. I don't know ukuthi yamazi Esau Dlamini.
I'm not a Duduzian. I know abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ngidlala iduduza ne.
Yeah, and uyayithanda iduduza and be like bengizibuza ukuthi
no, I ukuthi ngiyayithanda iduduza. Yazi ukuthi one thing people base duduza don't realize ukuthi iduduza inemali. Like yabona if you want to start a business and the people abadlala iduduza, it's only a few people abayibonayo leyo nto le.
Bengitshela wena ngoba awuhlala iduduza. Ngiyakubona nje ukuthi ulahlekile shuthi ungenedlele wrong eduduza wena uyazi.
Okay, ngitshele.
So mina ngikutshele eduduza ke kukhona abo Esau. Abo Esau abantu abahostayo ama awards for Tina, upcoming artist, which is a very good thing.
Absolutely, yes.
But then if una ngathi ingayenzwa umuntu ofuna ukuyenzela abantu ayiyena. You understand? So bayafana no boss. You understand? So no boss he's the same story,
Hayi wena.
same scoop,
Hayi
same
wena.
shape, you understand?
Yeah.
So vele ngena ngabona ukuthi no kahle kahle inkinga akusibo sho siduduza, you understand? So uma uphelele duduza vele ngathi ingcondo yakhiba iduduza, I understand.
No, ihood mentality angisho ukuthi ihood fame iyahlupha because
But the thing is njengoba ngitshela ngo-Esau uphumele, I'm sure he's well known la eTsakane even naseThema because now he's hosting iKwatsaduza Heroes Awards.
okay.
So I don't know ukuthi aniyazi kanjani because khona nama what best podcast, best what, because like you're the best, I know you guys, so angazi ukuthi anikho
Period.
laphayana.
Period.
Yabo?
Period.
So yabo ukuthi i-scam bayazi ukuthi laba abashaya izinto ezilegit
nakitsibi, nakitsibi.
babaleka abababuni
Angithi manje join yabona ukuthi ne angisho yena ne bano potgiter. Yambona mos potgiter.
lo wale
Lapha ya. Angisho manje yena Chomi, yayibona mos.
yeah
Thina angisho asikho potgiter.
yeah
Thina
yeah
thina ithi khumalo yayibona mos.
Yeah.
Manje mayi yabo
I-
ukuthi bese ayihlangana.
Ayihlangana.
Yayibona.
so boss
Yes.
angimazi ngimazi through u-Esau.
Yes.
U-Esau, he was hosting 2023 Duduza Heroes Awards at
Alright.
that time, not Kwatsaduza.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I got nominated as the best Afro pop and Kwaito Awards. Let's discuss like guys, angikazi ngayenza nkosi yami, angikazi.
Unjani?
Nkosi yami angayizi.
Unjani? Bayise join bayithi kanti wena.
uNkulunkulu
Unkulunkulu wena wakulethela ibuyisiso imoyisi.
Mamela boyini. Wafika wakulethela bangilanda ngayogeza ngathona into zami ngalunga. But again, virginally, I'm not happy. Boyini, angikho happy. Laba ngise khona bathi bayongisiza ngisiza kayilanga. Okay,
Kwenza kayini ke?
ngawina wena ke na.
Wawina into engayiyayizi. Akukuthi impilo siyibuza kuwe.
Ngitshela ukuthi mangiperforma lapha ya. Ngiperform ipiano abantu batayibo ikwaito.
Ikwaito kanti.
Sijayiba phela. Abo mama batala bebasethi ikwaito nje ukuthi bebashayiba isho night. Bebasoyenza njani? Ngawina.
Oh my god.
Okay, there was a prize. Okay, there was a group chat vele before the event. Yabo, obviously ngisho kuwa makuwa awards na nominator after that process mina banivotele futhi yabo.
Yes.
So vele okay ngavotela futhi. But angazi phela ukuthi ngiwinile vele. Okay, fine. On the day even bekumele bese multiple pose tshintsha 2 days before. But izoba se stadium eduduza ngase in isikole esibonela.
Yes.
There's this
Yes,
sort
yes,
of
yes.
like cinema or something lapha ne. Yeah, I think it was a cinema. Yeah, but sizoba lapho. But I nakhona sivaliwe. Was I know I will make a plan. I feel like abantu they are doing something, yabo. I'm going to make this happen. Yabo. Ngasi ya nami yes, yabo.
Qala phuyiza ke phuyiza
Sure.
bese sokhuluma phuyiza kuqala.
Phuyize.
Phuyiza ijwayele.
Yes, ijwayele.
Yeah,
Ufuna ngidayile.
Ngifuna ukuthi udayike bese
Why
siyazi
ufuna
ukuthi bese
ngidayike?
siyakhwila uyima kayisa yayibona. Ngiyayika. Lokuthula and then
Chona into ongayenzi into yenza ngoba ngifuna like umuntu lo ayizwe le nto le.
ne.
Ngifuna ayizwe guys.
Okay, again izima cinema and
Yes,
then
in my cinema yandlula indaba sesinema bathi bayenzela lapha kaTsibi. I don't know ngiyamazi uTsibi.
angisho ngiyasho ukuthi angisiyona lokuzala.
Okay,
Bayamayizi khulileka bayamayizi.
bayamayizi
Angisho.
simshakamisa ayiwasiza sayimosfayika
Wayimfayika ne?
dayistisa sabantu nama eye whites yabo at least like guys how ize yenzeka phela like besiprepareile sa practice sathenga nama rock for ama hour bese ayenzakali bengizokhala so at least yabo. And then we went there apparently
Yeah.
there was also a prize for umuntu othola ama
The most
amaningi ungidlula
Oh,
the
okay,
whole
okay,
category was
okay,
vele
okay,
yabo.
okay.
Okay, I was that person.
Ayiwayina.
uNkulunkulu
Uyayithanda wena. Yayibona ukuthi bese nina like nehla ingayina so.
so yina net my
No.
azini uNkulunkulu ke ungithinda half.
Yo, into sikhuluma ngomlomo wakho.
Mara uNkulunkulu wayenza so like I'm happy but I'm not happy.
Okay,
You
okay,
understand?
okay.
So okay, hayibo ngi-artist at least if
Right.
ngiyawina ke imic le ngithenge lo boy at least at least like ngizocula ekhaya. Bangifte istove sama chips ichoyini. I thought it's the whole sound system fana. There's equipment lapha yakunama camera. Mangibuyila istove sama chips. Like or like it was a message. It was like, no, you're not good enough. Go sell chips. God does something.
No.
And boys ulapho MC uyo oshoyo ukuthi the winner is
join wena awuyiboyini kahle uNkulunkulu akakuthayindi hive ukuthayinda ngokuphelele yabo bebayithi yazini ne hambo yenza ibusiness ngoba siyakubona ukuthi wena mongayenza ibusiness izoba uwe yayibona izothi
engibambezekile Nyonuka amafutha Choymi nokuthi ngigibele stage ngijayile Choymi.
Yayika Choymi angisho uzothi masoyehlile stage bese wena uyenzela abantu ama chips. Bese abantu bayayidla bangalayimi angisho.
Okay. I didn't like that. That's going better like as in uNkulunkulu ndade I think it ngisi punishment kancane because like bazangijabule like I was like wonke umuntu shoot nami noKistav naye. You're the winner, baby. I'm like I even post like this. And then like they took that by fire pepper. I should have said ngazibengenzani.
Bangishuta istory sama chips. Manje wasifika le stove like serepiwe.
Nice choice, bangisho obviously. Obvious. But no.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. First somebody was like, okay, fine. Why?
Dude, these people, they got sponsors. Sazugusi, the prize is worth 10K. But masi search alisa stuff sonke nalento le yenzayo le angiyazi. Yeah, iyaveza prize lapho kubo take all ukuthi I'm sure le uthenge nge 3 point something like it cost about 5K. So le 5K you say like wayanga ngifikela ngeke 5K le stuff ku envelope wathi congratulations buy something like duty. Like ongaya 5K sure. Angisidinganga isawo lesa stuff because my asing because like why why angizwa so and it's not like he didn't know ukuwina umuntu oku entertainment so should senze ngamabomo so that's why abantu baseduduza abekho sharp like abekho sharp yabo abekho sharp but anyway it's fine that's how I got to know uBoss and then
okay
bese ngasiyabangani ke but uBoss bengimthatha nje celebrity ngashuta naye and then uBoss uye weza kimi like mina bengijike ukuthi uNkulunkulu at that time azini uthi
uyakuthayina moyisi
intana nice success
ne
yabo ay uBoysi ngele ngaposta an event engavele nje ngacabanga ngayo after ama dance tournaments bengoyenza garage. There's a garage lapha e15 Saso garage. Yeah, so I used to take speakers ami esingaka. Hambe nabantwana bami just so jive lapha yabo. So bese simasjive abantu beza abantwana bagcwale ngabona ukuthi okay mangakhipha iposter nyana ngise sihlanganeni la. Ngicashe sound nyana sithi abantu babazijive sithi content abantu bazoza na then they came. And then from lapho ngabona ukuthi okay sebagcwala kakhulu nangaba sebayasicosha egarage ukuthi sivale indlela abantu sekumele baphume ngoba nina yabo and yabazi ke abantwana babona abantu abajivayo bayama endleleni imoto abayiboni yabo so kumele ukuthi okay manje girl chief thathola indawo consider doing this kahle kahle manje vele okay ngasazini because for now akukho la ngaya khona mayengithi ngicela ngibolekeni ihall mahala yabo let me just go and ask ukuthi ngakhona ukusebenzisa i-netball court lapha multiple pose okay bathi ayabana inkinga long ngekho phakathi eholweni because bayazi abantu bayaphula bayenzana okay fine ngacasha sound ngaya lapha ngathola stress 10 from no. Shout out to you, Shemaz ungisize like yep ngana next like cousin guys. Thank you so much. Wangboleka stress 10 there so okay. Ngaya lapha yana. Ngahleka azisone yazi but ngisho that's one day. Guys. Okay, ngaya laphaya. Okay, fine. Before he's seeing ama-poster ngokuthi okay there's an event. Mina bengazi ukuthi uBoss hlala ngapha. Like I thought like celebrity, you know, like Cape Town, Sandton, you know, like wow. Maka text like azange ngakhona nokudlala ngalelo like I'm like uye lona must be ku NC.
Uye loyana, uye lo vele TV.
It's TV. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm going to relax. Hi, I see you're hosting and I like the idea of ukuthi talent liba ekasi now I wanna come to ekasi and ushonza I come so I'm like yo sentence to share like what the? I'm like nami sentence one day nayo ungifaka yo ngosama I wish okay so wathi yeah ngiyakubona manje uzo host nani why don't you put me ku poster as a special guest I don't want anything I'm like yo akafuni ngimphatha okay ngiyakufaka nini faka manje sithombe no, I'm gonna do the poster as well for you. It's not nice. I have a team. I'm a poster. Like Ulrich boss yin. Ngiyayibona na my camera.
Angisho yayibona njengoba kucela emakhemela nama.
Yeah, angisho yamagus like wow.
Like usebenzile. No yena usebenzile.
No.
Usebenzile. Yes sebenza le nto yithe.
Le nto yenza yiyenzela.
Yiyenzela ne.
Okay, fine. One approach her, okay, fine, on Facebook. And then sakhuluma sa engage until sazisaya ku WhatsApp cause yeah, bese serious mase sendela nithombe wangicela isithombe, amsendela. And then what was the whole thing? Yeah, a company. Is it what's entertainment? What's in I'm a post something man. Entertainment.
And then when like mawuyo research lapho ku CIPC.
Ayiveli angisho leso bengizibuza ukuthi mhlambe naye mhlambe uyaqala yabo masicala mhlambe
yeah yabo
sisazo register sazoyenza sazo yabo ngitsho ukuthi mhlambe uyaqala but celebrate
angisho
but mhlambe uyaqala like celebrate half le angazi but yeah for the fact ukuthi ama poster bewamahle I didn't mind that's why ngithi sometimes you say idinga guidance
yes
they happen because you don't know you can't allow ukuthi logo yakhe ibe ku poster and the company engekho registered
exactly
so I didn't know all of that but I know now yabo unfortunately it's
you had to go to food
but it's fine okay fine poster bayashare like abantu yabo he's even gaining followers yabo he's coming and then he doesn't show up
ke tlo go sharp jang
he doesn't show up he comes 1 hour left ukuthi kuphele the whole thing and then at that time bengasana muntu performer it's just an hour whereby call music and then we were serving ama guests because he wasn't the only one ozayo as a guest so we had other guests so mama mabaphekela yabo so ufika sekuphakwa and he's drunk kama ne girlfriend sabaphakela bahlala phansi he's coming from another gig angisho phela like uBoss
and the celebrities okay yes. By
so
the way
like I understand because like angeke expect ukuthi asheshe eze ku netball court yabo so I was like I guest am say khona it's fine ngambeka lapha ngam introduce kumanye ama guests kwaba mnandi okay sharp how akavalwa I need to move
another gig
yeah
wow uyasebenza yo
no ngiappreciate it for the fact ukuthi usuke kwenye weza ayishangazi ngimufa nama takeaways cold drinks we had snacks like yeah
for sharp
Azimathandazana shisa lo kahlele endlini bekaze lukuzo scout ukuthi okay does she really have a following yabo ngale ndlela le and wabona and then he calls me after 2 days yo hayi mfethu yo hayi yaphusha yabo
I know lapho
uyasho I feel like manje incane le netball courts le I know someone I know a place
ayiwen
I'm like yo black and I thought this was Senzine what's man call like us
I
just celebrate What's up man khona lapha ekhasi lapha yabo as you came guys lapha eRenking
Yeah.
Freedom Square. So yeah, we went there kanti ngiyamazi Rasta zangaminde because yankena.
He's a very cool gent, Kevin.
Yeah, he's very just that now you know what's whatever nosasanulo nkosi yami nayi nkosi yami sona shem. But Rasta siyabonga Rasta. Rasta bekasakile papa nesibini namadenza ukuthi masori heza like siyabonga Rasta ne.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's
though
nice.
shemi iphele kabuhlungu Rasta but uNkulunkulu akubusise like I wish athole eyakhe car wash because I know irank akuseyakhe yabo so ngilingilanga naye bangamuthi qala yabo so like into yakhe yabo uzoba grand Rasta sure yeah mara phume kule ntwana uphume kule ntwana yezokulahlekisa ayikho right le ntwana guys like I don't wanna lie ayikho right ukid or king stuff awukho right bro yami like I wish to help you just that yelo angikhuba mayivela ngisana ndaba nawe so yeah wathi siye lapha saya lapha so hosted the second event lapha the third neza the crew awunkosi yami yakakid
hayi and ngicela ukukucocela ne side track leyo event leyo ayimi lapha noSiyanda vele sithi my herbs hayi sibele phezulu awube EFF package uyashuthi usitshela ukuthi hayi yabo bayaziyenzela uyabona ukuthi hayi nomncwabo lo shoot acipha icamera sihleli lapha noSiyanda kungene ingathi polo so abantu sebabona bayasuka ne mara yiki into ethi hambani nabantu angisho silive bajoin hambani nabantu sukani nabantu sashayiswa pa hayibo ipam Scabs, is that a gun? Oh, yabona nje ukube bekudutshulwa kufiwa ngabe safa sacishe safa ngenxa yakho sisi wena
sisi nambe ngingazi lapha ukuthi vele indawo vele angifuni ukubasho bazong
ungabusasho
so nambe ngingazi ngithe mangifika nami ngathi hawu but senga you know and either way they gave us like sound sharp ungidlula lebe ngiyisebenzisa there was space lapha eRenkini bebasiphatha kahle yabo bengekho into snacks yabo hawu ke nina nikhu yakhe uniphethe so nizoza la nizoshoot from now on actually nina kahle kahle njalo mas hosta neta pictures videos yabo so now we are opening pages accounts siya move my uyangicheck girl no lento mele stop nemali yabo yeah wena uyichairperson mina ngitreasurer uRasta secretary
why yena ayitreasurer why
uRasta akabe yitreasurer ngisho uRasta unekhawashi uyenza amapapa nama in so uyakwazi ukubeka imali kahle akabe yena yitreasurer uRasta because siyazi ukuthi waqala wayidla sizothatha le mali ekhawashi imali amapapa yabo wena sothatha yani
wena
uzothatha yani
mara ngisho uthatha into
kanjani ngoba bekahlala la bewe ingini
hayi mara ngisho manje yayibona mawusukile eseyini
ayisho ngena ngayibona makilo iqhubeka ayikise indini la okay fine no wena ubi treasurer next la uRasta sharp okay aska register into esikhuluma ngomlomo
okay
so what's okay lo ula ubonile first 2 3 uzombona kahle wasondezela abanye abantu ke abazosiza
by the way yes
okay ulo uzama kuwina itrust yami ene nami yaphela ngiyathamba ukuthi nkosi yami
so uzovela nasemaphepheni ngicabanga newspaper
kwesiyami hawu siyabonga
bye inkosi yami
hayi ngithi ngiyayifunda ipaper ngithi ayibayini mangidaba isiyiyo
itsini paper
hayibo mina ipaper bengiyazi ukuthi ipaper iyeza ipaper bangitshela
njani
sengishodiwe mina ngazi ukuthi No, sis Nomsa, sorry to say igama like but sis Nomsa skis now shem bacishe bakumushela igama lakho.
And
you
she's
understand?
such a nice lady. She's
a very nice
such
lady.
a lovely lady.
I'm still talking to her, man.
Even now,
Even
oh no,
manje.
she's a very nice lady.
She's a very nice lady, and thank you so much because Uyang Caesar, even on this event in Chilling, I want to talk about it.
Sophia, yes.
So I just want to say thank you so much, Sis Nomsa. Naye ngazi ukuthi she was the African reporter, okay, fine. But ezeng hayi uThebo, yebo. But she wasn't there with us interview, but just to take pictures. I was like, yini into azoyibhala if azange interview.
Exactly.
I'm gonna
Kanti wena
ukuthi,
wayithi
yabo kanti yena sebam interview ngoba uyophethe ngithi.
Hayi wena mphayithi. Hayi wena mphayithi.
Angisho boys. Hayi.
Iboyisi mara yayizini ne. Yeah, mara asiqhubeke joyini.
So iboys ke na by interview. So mina mama ngifayika lapha yana bathi Mina, I'm just a young talented girl from Ekasi who's passionate about dance and helping lapha yana talented by Ekasi
Helping.
Yeah, as an entertainer.
Kanti
Ngiyajayiva lapha ya msebenzi
hayi umsebenzi ayikuthi wena unjayive abantwana bekubayisa
ya mina ngifike nje ngijayiva
hayi man
yeah
joyini
so yena uye vele brainchild idea yakhe lena because he's been wanting to do something like this wathola thina sijayiva and then was approach ukuthi like why not and then I'm gonna see shorting and then Gadla and then how
nja
how that's how emakhe okay wayengathanga okay ngisecretary at least angifake lapha kuma directors mara ngiyajayiva ngibekile okay bengijayiva but nabanye abantu beyibayizoyikhoda ngoba ngijayiva
vele boyijayiva
ngijayiva
angithi nayithi sifika isoyina ngoba sithi no umphayithi phela uphayithile lapha yayina yebo thina sithi vele no asayizi nokuthi khona ama-2K woyimdanyiso mina ngiyamangala mangifike ukuthi waye manje lo sisi lo MC ngoba manje mina ngisitshela ukuthi
ngithi yo bebangimunca nemike ke
ne bebayimunca
mina ngithi mhlambe yazi ukuthi you are tired uceda ukujayiva kanti usayitha inubona ukuthi game yena
angisho injayilo vele
boys
mina ke sitshela ukuthi hayi yazi no guys I started something no Nifikeni guys it's just for the kids guys yazini I ngicabanga ukuthi
okay just kid stuff akasu king it's just for the kids uyayithanda lento le he's doing it for the kids
hey ngithi mina
ngimbone nama yesibonelo kuphi he's doing it for the kids I'm sure
no it's for the kids
it's for the kids
president
yeah
Mongameli
noma 2K
yeah hayi thina siyatshela phela ukuthi no we are going to laphayana guys ngicela niveleni no it's just for the kids NPO njanjanyana yabona no it's going to grow guys it's going to grow ngithi kuye mina no yenza ama page yabona yenza ama page into iphile yabona and angisho umsebenzi wayimi mina nayicho yimi owayike ne lapha yana njengoba besisebenza sisonke njengoba iBoys mina owayimbe kuyi social media yingisho manje ngithi mina iyenza ke bese ngiyayenza mina lapha yini bese unginikeza wena uyayenza mina unginikeza ama price weight ngawalinda ichoyima ama price weight
nami ngawalinda ichoyima ama price weight
mina nje ngisho so ngithi yenza ke ne group charity ke bese kusho ukuthi ngisho phela that day mase sik interview la washo wena ukuthi phela yabo kusho ukuthi partnership ngithi kusho ukuthi partnership yabo okay grand awenze lapha group chat sifake uma i2K ngoba i-group chat boy ungekho wena
ingekho babe benguyamnayi niyoreista
noreista
phela bekanotilili upopop ma besimfoyinela group chat half group chat bekuyimnayi rasta tululu samfoyinela masine meeting eColin later sithi rasta tululu
ne niyambamba
but I knew ukuthi khona i-group chat yenu. But since
kanjani wena ungekho khona okay ke
because leyo eyenu, because he said leyo eyenu phela remember ne angisho boys.
Oh.
So yi-boys ku-Thailand libhayekasi, yi-boys kini, yi-boys lapha erenkeni, yi-boys lapha kaJoyibi maybe boys nakhona vele i-boys ambassador. He's also yini. He said he's doing what
ungabusasho. Yes.
No, that's why. Because sa invites we got invites through i-document esingakhona ngikuyisayina ezama-2K omdanso whereby beyibhaliwe makasifunde ukuthi there's payment esoyithola nani. We understand? So that's why ngithi this guy, he's doing a lot of things wrong. So if akekho umuntu omtshelayo ukuthi wrong, uyochubeka mosha abantu abaningi. Because like udrag abantu abaningi in this whole thing. Like mangasi ngiyovula i-case manje.
I didn't even say it.
Yeah. So that's why ngithi ezinye izinto like kumele bamtshele lo muntu like I wish ukumbona so ngimtshele. But ngifuna ngithi like ngiyakutshela manje.
Ngabusasho.
Ngiyamtshela manje. He's like wrong, like wrong. Like and then athi azophelela renkini ngizoza mina ngizoba sponsora nge-equipment laphayana ngimvulela ishop some brand yana yenze kid stuff brand something gcokisa abantwana deserve leyo nto nje gcokisa abantwana dlala nabantwana ninqonde abantwana yangibhora because kube like sikude kude like just make nane ezikhu yakhe shem kube nani kude nathi neboss yenu
uyayibona
understand
ngabe sayimile sonke sayintsini
ekhaya ndanzekhaya
iCape Town yona ngabe siyafay
thanks ekhaya
yo yeah and then
so yeah ngoba ileyo rava ngoba nama shows ngoba mnandi it's fine. Fast forward newspaper the whole thing ngam approacher. He said mina ngifuna ifamous ekasi, I'm not fit for this whole thing. He's trying
what
to help.
to say
Yeah, he knows a lot. He's been on TV. He's seen the worst. I don't know anything mina. So nje yena nginenhlanhla because he's here to
okay
help.
but kuhlangana blog nalento ebhale paper
Because phela mina ngilola ukuthi why yena athi uyifound angasiyifound. Like
no,
why
but why
for that? Because it's like into esephepheni ngiyazi ukuthi yimi found mos. But into etshela abantu akusiyiyo mos. And then Rasta wazama ukusikhwela because besila emehlweni no vision ebami ngimkhombeza ngimbona ngamehlo amakhulu ukuthi uzongishaya ngithi yo but ngiyamtshela
awukusalayo
uyamtshela sifound uyazela play into wena ngoba udayi kwayihladla lana lokudakwana le into zakhe ngingazayizi nginyinyisa ngicabanga
abantu
hayi ngidina vele nginyenyisa
hayi ngingazayizi
that's the only person engakhuluma ngaye ngaye angizayizi manje umoya lento le olobrain ngathi
oh ile efike lapha etutuzayizi okay
bambe vele laba bangekho right bangekho right vele kubambile etutuza
okay yayijoin me bayise kwayenza kala
bese kwaliwa bese waphola kancane bese wacwilisa bese saba right
okay
bese waphinda ngelinye iphepha phela bayithi ama newspaper guys.
Yes, it was ilokuzana la
and African Reports the same thing and kuleyo busithu uyenza ngathi uthi mhlambe ufa ispice ukuthi at least ngengikwati uthi hayi malo mfana lo I marisbindi like someone no actually I came with the name E-Talent. He came with the idea, I came with the name. So as in lento ishoyo kuzoba italent elibhayekasi.
Hayi boss phecele ngwane.
Basho ukuthi ngizoba right. Ngathi hayi wena anti ungivuna la. Ungivuna la.
Hayi wena.
Wathi kanti wena why matukulo cause already you are pushing i-dance. You can't be handling i-dance nangabe uyi-student in nanani.
Naye mtshela ukuthi anisho wena
uyi-celebrity uyi-bossy uya-company
uyi-reality wena use-AMP angithi wena Joyibi idlala khomnoni
so kanjani
why mina ke ngingakwenzi
Why?
Nine. Yes.
Yeah. And then fast forward, kwaba la vele ke ngicala khona vele ukumbonisa naye ukuthi you know what dude wena ngiyashenta. And then kwaba nenkinga.
Waphuma amabhozeni.
Ngoba phela ngiphuma 8 yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiphuma slow.
Okay, uphuma 7. Okay.
Sezinyane. Say mama si host ngingaki ngithi hayi ngibe ngibusy ngana so stand ngingaki. Hey, we can still like host and then when uhambe wenza ngithi kanjani kuyami.
Lapho bathi wena.
Like kanjani dude?
Izingcoce. Lapho bathi wena.
Mina. Mina yenze.
Wena uylazy moise.
Ngile.
Uyenza ukuthi moise ingayenza Thailand. Wena moise uyenza ukuthi manje sithi siyaplayina bese wena ayenze. Bayasitshela ukuthi ngeyi-17 zaka-February i-Thailand. Nasithi hawu i-17. Wathi hayi angisho manje uGail. Hayiboy. But yep, isana.
Like lo muntu lona uneincwadi azifundayo ukuthi abayenze yini abantu.
Inoyiba guys.
Wow. Like cela ngiboleke because siyamthemba and siyangena yong. Hayibo siyangena yong.
Mina
Like I'm asking myself ukuthi kube kwaba necontract nyana wathi ngiyifundile ngasayina kanti ithi Gail wena uzosicline ila ku Thailand.
hayiboy.
Kube nyathina lapha.
Uyayicleana lapha ngabe udoyipa mayiba wena lapha yayina mos.
Wow. Awuyibhoza sana. Pause, but I've paused because like because sikhuluma ngawe. Like why?
Yes.
Yafana shem nabo bongi yazi. Hayi ngamampela umuntu ongafuni ukusizwa man. Like cause as ngithe makenzakala yonke lento le. Wavela abantu abaningi angazi bebangekeleni bangilongo ngibona ngihosta naye. But siyamazi awu
Benjalo
besizalo.
Hayibo.
Kanti wena how? Like serious, like siyama, like guys nangiyeka.
Hawu nani God. Anathi bese ngakazi.
Bengakazi.
Uyabona wena ma find out.
And mina mangifound out ngiyanikwatana no inkeke.
Manje uyayisho ukuthi uyayifika nini ne-newspaper. Uma kafika ne-newspaper uyithi wena kanti hayi mina intinayo uboys.
Yo nganizoyinda nina. Phela nina benikoyina so like
Hayi wena.
nganizoyinda into
Uzoyinda
iserious.
kanye
Engisho yini niphethe yonke le into nina. Nithi mina.
Asiyithi thina
Nithi.
ngisho manje yabona I choose my qali.
So fast forward ngoba impe serious ke.
Yes.
Ngamconfronta salwa and then ngaye ekhaya. Okay. There was an event that we were supposed to host, ne?
Okay.
And then ngamtshela ukuthi azini because mina ngifuna ukuthi at least le ibe cacanyana,
Okay.
yabo, because it's my birthday month. Ngicela ukuthi sibeke like month end, save and do something, buy cake, something like yabo. Okay. Avuma. How umuntu kuzoba ile event uthi kimi angazi noma bekaphunya kukelwe or kanjani.
Join.
Manje mangayenza kayile ukuthi mlambo uyawa or inyawo ziyaphuka or sayimtingi. Abantu ayina bangakhona ukuchubeka bayijayize ungekho sichubeka isihoist. I'm like ubani othengiso.
And waphinyeki.
Kade waphinyeki inyawo.
Join
me.
Uyayibayi.
Bebasekhaya bebanayi ukuthi lo uvuna ubinyeke. Siyambinyeki.
Maphinyeki.
Bakashita ubinyeki inyawo. Yambara ubinyeki. Ilonto bayivuna kimi. Azona tene enabo umbani ukuthi ne uswabile but bangiculela. Phela bekusese ibirthday month yami.
Yes.
Bangicula happy birthday. I forget my gown lapha ngamayenza ne video. Unfortunately mangijoyintile boyini. Aboyisa
Bye bye kayinjani nabo isayizayinizimi bakujontshela ifayini manje.
boyineke ijabu into itengisingodayiba. Angibonanga nobabalwa like guys I'm very sad like whoever stole my
so
phone like wena ne
sorry.
ngikubambe ngenhliziyo nangesibhono nangombhonzo wenyawo like into ezoyenzakala kuwe son. Like I'm sorry for your mom ne but wena son. uzogcina uyenza into yenza because vele kudala abantu balahlekela. I'm not the first one ne.
No,
And I know I'm not the
because it
last one.
happened to me too. That's the thing.
But the thing is, why ngachinja isystem yana ke?
No, it keeps happening. Like it keeps happening. Sasibabana ke futhi omunye, like this other guy grabbed the phone from the other guy. Uwabaleka. Like nje into ekhona nje vele ukuthi ifoni. Yayibona mama uyayikayijay.
Ngayiphathi.
Ngayibhayithi ifoni angazi ukuthi uzoyenza
Ifuna ukuyishuta bobayibani, ngasifuna ukuyishuta nabangani bethu.
bayishuta uzayishuta ngayinqondo. Yayibayi. Mina ngisi. Or uyifake hayi but noma uyifake la.
Iyajuyiluka.
Angithi yayijuyiluka yini? Ngiyifake ilayina ne. Le mfana lo yina ayifuna ukuyingiba ibayile cabanga.
Hayi wena.
Ngiyakutshela. Ayifuna ukuyi angithi manje mina ngithi uba ibayile ngiyakhumbula ukuthi angithi manje ngiyifakile. Ifoni. Yeah.
Ain't wena.
Yeah.
Ain't le bayayithanda iziwayi angisho masesithe.
Yeah.
Thina noma akubamba ubona hasi yo. Kanti koyisami uyayikhipha uyibona.
Angiboni.
Mina kuyayithi even worse ke beyisayimini
Uyizibhekile.
izibhekile sho ukuthi yayina uloku ngibhekile ukuthi azini na iphone lapha manyophuma
iPhone join.
iPhone le
iPhone.
iPhone hambi mara like ngizoyithola yabona uma ngayithola seyihlephukile le izongenza ukuthi umnikazi ngimazi oyithathile ngiyamfuna yonke abanye bahlala bathi hayi it's just a phone like mina like ngisayivile lapha yana bhuti wena
Wena usayibenzile yayisi.
ngisayibenzile for le phone ngisebenza ngayo le phone wena
Anginjoyise
wena uyafika uyayithatha uyithengise ejozi nge-250 like into ezoyenzakala kuwe like angimazi ne but like ngathi ngizofila mase yenzakala ukuthi okay sharp imshayile and like ngifuna ukushaya yonke
bezofuna ukumbona manje imshaya.
like ngifuna ukuba khona like I pray uNkulunkulu ukuthi angibeke la kube ne sign or something ethi ulo bese ngimbona iyenzakala lento le bese ngibe right
Izoyenzeka join. Izoyenzeka kanjalo.
so wena joy mike ngikutshele
Yeah.
umjida ngoba ilento ukuthi vele kuyacapanwa yaze yaya ku Facebook njengoba usho
Yes.
yeah sikathi mina yimi ngamtexta nani ngakhipha ama screenshots yemi
Hayi baby
hayi bon baby
Hayi, wena,
la enina ngiyadilithile
Yayina bekadelete.
nga backup yabuya izinto
Yeah, nayijoyini.
Uyayibona uNkulunkulu
Yeah.
angayisiza
Uyayibona manje ukuthi uNkulunkulu wena akathandi life.
ngithanda nayo
Uyakuthanda yo.
I'm sorry God but I'm still hurt you know for me I'm hurt
Yeah, ijoy.
yeah you told me so okay umzayila vele wangisho yaze ngena noma umami mzayila cuz like
Ngiyayikuyibuyila bayisi.
mama mpela bekakhona like from the get go you understand my mom cooked for ama guests for
Yes,
yena
for yena.
samphakela izande ikosa akazibeka igcine nini ne celebrate like zamenza
Izoyishayo ayisho kanjani.
samupha nama takeaways
Hayi wena.
my girlfriend ayisam no baby like mntana abantu uyazama like ungikhulumele get as girls like women month like women empowerment like umntwana miyeke baby no ungamiyenzi kanjalo
Yeah.
like ugirl and angismayela ugirl happy wow but ngiyacabanga naye shembeka funa usi boyfriend yakhe yabo I'm sure uye bekayitreasure mhlambe kulento le. We never know guys because because they said he did register Talently by Gas but not as Talently by Gas. I think it's talent show or something like that. But I wasn't part of ama directors.
Angifuna ukukhuluma indaba
But it's fine.
Angifuna ukukhuluma indaba
Yabo. So vele ngoba ilento le amaklibidi dlangdlang ngamtshela amaklibidi dlengdleng and then ngoba ilento ukuthi vele makabona ukuthi abantu vele sebayangena uthi uyahlanya wena bathi okay besikhona yabo like I appreciate abantu laba vele guys bangiback up abakhuluma ne thank you so much wadilisa yonke into wadilisa nalama wathwathi wangiblocker nami ngamblocker maceda wabuya after a month because on that month bekumele host as host and then wabuya yena sekathi host a Italian show and yeah
by the way
and ngezwe nje imigosi uthi yami bayi4 abe babaningi at least khona bazile like I think his friends benkhona as a team yakhe askise benkhona
angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi mawufaka indawo itha nathi siyafaka indawo utha
at the same time
join me Angithi uyayikhwini kuyila moyisi wena beshoot music video.
Yebo.
Join me. Ay. Hey guys, offense lokunjani? Offense lokunjani loyana mos.
Loyana.
Offense lokunjani? Offense lokunjani? Ah! Sasaba khulu Nkosi yami. What we are gonna do when we get there? I know guys, what. Bekukuphi usebenza phi na usipheqele kwani? Kuleya that in kuleya dealership ikuphi? Ay, box speak. Communication to. Sihamba nga. Sophia ngosikhathi bani?
Okay,
So
that's the
when-
first.
no,
Okay, that's
so you're not
nice.
the
At least you
only
did
one.
something like right, because I
Yes.
thought like in Hambile.
If-
And then in Zona, guys, excuse me.
It's okay. It's okay. Like, listen, EP production schedule, EP script, EP in, EP call sheet. Sambuza, ngiyacabanga ukuthi sambuza mhlambe kwakungo-10 kanje ebusuku. Ay, wayisenda ngo-3 ekuseni, but anyway, yes.
And like, let me ask, where is that music video then?
Okay, guys.
Pertinent question.
Okay, guys.
'Cause
I
there
don't
were
know, Guti.
Lamborghinis, there was Benonis, there was Offense Moases, there's all these things. Where is that music video?
There
I wanna
was
see it.
Lamborghinis.
Because I know Jorge,
Well,
that guy,
I-
that
sorry.
person, that film production is quite expensive. It's expensive. So where's the music video?
Well, they
Where is
did
it?
come, ne, guys. I was part of the music video, guys, as well.
But where is the music video?
Well, I don't know, ne. But I got a call one day, Umuyukelati. I saw you on Channel O, ne. Bowjiver, a stage is as a Coke. And the only stage I remember is that one, basically there. But the thing is, that was the first scene. The second scene, ile big Melekanjo, Jonga Bancosta. Yes, Bancosta. Bancosta. Because I was like,
3 a.m. in the
Dude.
morning.
They did go and the music video we were Puma, but I think I'm sure you know Siman Mamede EP in the full there's a certain amount of money. No. I think we were but even the music video and then it's only like guy one. Yabo. So that's why abantu bangayaz. But abantu abangazi you mean they did call text, but say we saw you once. Yabo. And then what happened? Because yabona ukuthi ayiqhubeki nana. So I don't know ukuthi iqiniso in, but they say it was on TV really once.
So to keep installment, keep balance.
By the way, guys,
Keep it
Tabang,
deposit.
the person on the mic, the person who's speaking on the mic, Tabang from Black Access Media,
Hi guys,
Hey.
it's Happy Women's Month, ne?
Yeah.
right now.
No, like I just wanna know because this thing was like a hoo-ha, guys. Like a hoo-ha.
Was it?
Yeah,
It
it
was a
was. Yo,
Like,
it was.
I was told, how my guy, why aren't you shooting his music video? Who now? That is stuff. Why? Guys, we saw there's gonna be a crew, whatever. I'm like, oh, okay. And then they told me which production it was. I'm not gonna name which it is. And then I'm like, yo, he's not that cheese, bruh. He is not that cheese. I would see we are pocket watching, but damn, those people are like, you
Expensive.
need to. So I know, obviously, by we shot one right now. It's out here. Everybody can see it. Where's that one? That's my question. Where is it? Yeah, it's in premium. Can't be. It's not even on YouTube. It's not even on.
Do you know the way being a corner, ne? Safika nge convoy. But safika late. But asiko lapho. Safika nge convoy. Ah, join me. Safika nge convoy. Join me. Ngifa isiphayi. No. Join me. Basithi shayina yithi ke ngoba ilanga lonke besingakhulumisa asibulisa inanga masifika kwi-site.
Hayi boy.
Ngiyakutshayela mase sikhulume mayise kayifika lapha yana stage sasekoik makayithi shara ithi mayithini ithayino mayishi yayibona uyayikhumbula imoyisi.
Yo, guys. Hi, Shem.
Amathukulu bekasikwatile that day ngiyabona
guys, like,
ukubulisana kwethu akuzange kwaba the way.
I was okay because it's him and then sing la and then like they know umuntu ngenzani.
No mara wabona ukuthi
like,
sifike ngobani isikhathi angisho hayi wayibona nawe ukuthi kushuthi vele akuhamba kahle yayibona.
and azange uhamba kahle. That's why it's like as I wish bekacabanye ngenye indlela mhlawumbe kube thina simsizile yabo cause
Yeah.
after sengizwa yonke into okay sengisho ebantwini abantu sebabonile their fights abantu basho ukuthi lo muntu lo you know he was that good yabo so I think like
You have no idea.
like
You have no.
Dude.
Ngizokutshela off camera ukuthi kwenzakalani.
dude
I'll tell you off camera. Yeah.
like I can understand pain or whatever but you don't do that mfethu
yazi ukuthi
You know.
when you uma udlala ngabantu especially ububheka ukuthi udlala ngobani, you know, abanye abantu akudlalwa ngabo,
cela uyiphinde abakuzwa kahle
abanyizwa kahle.
ufuna lalo luthatha ifone
Uyayibona?
uzwe kahle
Anoke nithi bendlala ngabantu bese niyabuka ukuthi nidlala ngobani.
ngobani
Akusiyo wonke umuntu ekumele ukuthi udlale ngaye. Mut cake mut vatch. What is it? Mut cake opti
Joe
what?
cake.
Yayiba. Hey, yele mut goba. Hey. Hey.
yeah
Hey.
guys Shem yena Shem he's bad news like angifuni ukuyihlobisa ayikho sexy
He bad news.
he's bad bruh
Ooh.
that's a bad guy
Honey.
Bad guy.
Yazi mina mangikucocele yezi indaba ne. Bengingafuni. But fuck it. Ithi laba sifuna ispointer moyis. Ayithi ustrike I know mina khona umuntu engimayiziyo.
Owazi wonke umuntu
Angishi idlala kamnandi. Angithi idlala kamnandi.
boys
Sithi thina sifuna lo bayiba lo dlala kayimnandi uyangibamba mos ukuthi uyayimayizi. Ayithi no. Mina ngiyayimayiza umuntu oyimayiziyo. Join. Ayibayi. Okay, yenza njalo. No guys, yeah. Ukuthi bengakamboni njani. Okay. He's coming for an interview. Oh, okay. I think for the interview, I think yes, so yokuqala sayishootha. I don't know what happened or bekungena sound or bekwenzakalani, but kuyisayini ayibona manje afike futhi kwebisi to shoot ngenye vele nje Sunday thi ufuna ukusibona ngithi oh I don't even know like I didn't know him like okay but like I didn't know who this person was but ngokukhuluma kwabantu yabona ukuthi like Toyimi celebrity yabo
do you mean
uvele TV yayibona so siyahlangana ke kanjalo like as a no he needs a PR team he needs a marketing team oh yithi la ayibona mana manje ekusebenzeni ngethu siyabona ukuthi yena akafuna ukusebenza
funa ukusayitshenza
boys
boys mode
Yayibona?
boys mode
nangapha but ekufunela ukusetshenzelwa kwakhe aka communicate wenza izinto ayi-one you understand and uma une team awukwazi ukwenza ama decision uyi-one
Uyi-one.
unless i decision yokuthi i department yakho or it was an emergency and you had to make a decision but uzoyenza a decision that benefits wonke umuntu hawu kanti asiyithe imona wayenza ama decision uyi-one kufike nje umunye ubayiba ne lo bayiba lo bayithi ufuna ukushuta ijoin bayithi hayi bayithi uzosithengela inyama eKHI hayi kudlaliwe kathi guys
hey guys itutuza manesh
hayi lo bayiba lo inake bayithi usithengela inyama eKHI bayiba makayifika isithengela iHeinz boys
Heinza 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 ha Heinza
oh bayithengela amaHeinz ijoin
Heinza ina ye Heinza
ayizayizigayifla imvish nyina
ATC ye
No,
yayibona mind
iyayibayi
60 mind
i-60 rand
70 mind
iyayibayina
yeah
Joyimi basengela iHeinz
bebabukanda bekakuthi ngazabonedlela
amakhamera bayisithengela amaHeinz ayi-80 Joyimi ayimayida yimpi la iPKJ Joyimi manje mayisifika la ephayina kukhona nalo munye lo yayina moyisi ofuna naye yayina moyisi lo ifayina naye la ina Joyimi ayibona wona afika inaye Joyimi uye sekabhayila mayina itmos emithi yini manje mina ngiyizibuyisa ukuthi kayinti simqasha yini mina ngize ngibuyisa umphathi wangempela ke ukuthi hawu usasebenza lana yini kanti mina mhlawumbe mina misimemo like does he work here like kwenzalani
uthini yini wena
apayila mayino ithi mayisike bala mayino ho uphethe neyincwadi
yayina
AK shape angisho phela size meeting yini
AK shape
AK shape
like my baby
how okay sathi sisabhekela khona ke ungena kanjalo phela ngalo yabayiba ngisho lo babayilo lokuthengela ayi siyamshuda ke yubayiba lapha yana kule yandawo le yana bishuda kuyo lapha esemkhuveni ngisho ayibona nje
nje
how siya manje uye manje osenzela i54321 uye ochecka isound uchecka ama camera
boys
boys how hayi ipheli langa la khona ngithi mina hayi miyekeleni ngifuna ukubona bathi ngithi futhi yabona usiya indaba yakwayitile ngithi mina miyekeleni kona ngifuna ukubona kwenzakalani sethi ke mase sisoda sengiyahamba ngiyakhayibo oyiwa ngisho manje ioyibe ihlala lapha yini indoyidoyita mase sihamba mina ngiyabuza ukuthi hawu semqasheni nini kanti umfo when did we hire mina ngikhumbula sayara ngikhumbula yebo siyamshuthela lo yababa lo yana ne mara like kanti no yabo asazi nathi kwenzakalani but amongst ourselves C4 sikhuluma ukuthi no thina siyithi simbonini ukuthi uthini uyakhuluma uyapromise uyathembisa but ama promises asiwabona ngoba nayo ubayiba wayikhayina wasithembisa ke wasithembisa ubaba sina sizitshela ukuthi hayi sohlangana no DJ Fresh yabona like guys sithi yo so shutha ka DJ Fresh isoyimizi joyimi bayithembisa somizi
yeah
uyayibona into
hayi kunzima yes
join me
skisini mani hlayiba
umhlayiba uyayihlayiba join
hlayiba kabuhlungu
uyihlayiba kabuhlungu join
imboyikoyito
ifuna imboyikoyito ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubhekane nayo yayiba
exactly
join mina angikho ishayiphi shame angikho ishayiphi lomuntu wayesiyenzela ama promise izijoin me ayithi usijayiba join me umphayithi ay siyavumelana ke ukuthi no thina siyithi what we say cause yabo ikanjalo nje indaba lo sombuka nje uyayibona indaba ye music video ke iyo yasixaba inisa joyimi ukuthi wena ucommunicate phela wena wathi siyahamba uzohamba nami noyisiyinda siyabuyela eBoyixburg angisho sabuza ukuthi kanti sihamba ngoba nesikhathi sihamba kanjani sihamba ngani ebo kakhulu sithi hey
it's okay
aw siyahamba phela umuntu isiphendula nje ukuthi siya ngo7 sihlangane 19 athi siyanda ikho leyo nto silapho ngeke nje asinje lapho we are not going there kanjalo samtshela ukuthi sicela ukuthi bese sihlangane nawe ke lalela la kuyaphuthuma ngeke thina size sisebenze kanje futhi thina uyasazi ke la ekhaya sisebenza ngephepha sisebenza ngephepha la ekhaya kuyasayina ama contract la ekhaya asidlali kanjalo sayibona lapha indaba yephepha ukuthi kahle kahle ibayilule yeyila yayi kayikhoyilu
guys
sambiza wangafika wathi uyayipostpone angafika sahlala thina la iphayina isiphuzisa ayivayini saphuzisa ayivayina simnindile usiyayina ke aphuze iBlake aphuza
at least I say hi
oh joy me I will go iski like mice
ay but we live and you learn
thina sibike yosebenza mahala shem ucocela
nathi sibike driver mahala ingconcezini ukumjulungu
hayi wena uvele iTV kanti awukayilwa
awuthengela necake at least
ikuyidlanya ina ke ikoyita manje
nyina kena
hayi mayistrika nyina ke
izingwa ke zezenrind
ifake moya ijoyimi ngabe ke niyadonsa bayaya niphuze at least ke ina nayi lemonade ngobe banilethele lemonade ijoyimi
hayi mina nje manje understand this
nina phela benina ne dressing room lapha yana yabona
Jamie.
Kune-stylist.
Jamie naso siyakhayila.
Jamie, sikhayila ngayikhoyina.
Sikhala sibaningi.
Ayisikhayilisa.
But you know what ne? Ezinye izinto amanye ama-lessons vele mele afike yabo because
Yeah.
nginani manje even nasi stylist nginaso.
Exactly.
Ubuntle we-CEO, shout out to you.
Shout out.
So
Whoa, ene wena buntle. Yeah. Finish. Ene wena buntle wena.
I wonder.
Ene wena buntle. Ayikho happy ngawe. Mara soyikhuluma. Uze nje uzohlala phansi ngifuna ukuthi uzohlala phansi la.
Thula tu.
No, hayi ngokuthi like into. Not like no.
Okay.
I don't mean it in a bad way.
Okay.
No, and naye uyazi. Phela uyayikhumbula moyise mayiqala igirl show ibe ine CEO la emuva. La ngisho manje ubusy angisho. Yayibona? Nyanga.
But understand nami shame.
Yeah, she's very busy. I understand.
She's very busy.
Yeah.
But yeah, shout out to you, babes.
Yeah, shout out to you, Buntle.
So yeah, vele naye uyakhayila yabo naye bamgilile. That's when it's like
Naye
you need to
umgilile.
see this guy ukuthi ulimaza abantu abaningi, and imagine if like there's more than 4 hearts ezikhalile zaphuka because of wena. Like into zakho zolunga kanjani dude. Like sonke sikhala ngawe like ngawe.
Uthi mina.
Like njengamanje ngisingathi ngakudubula. Like cabanga ufila kanjani ngidubula. Bese sebayamdula bazothi yimi guys.
Angisho yini into engiyishoyo ukuthi bazothi
Ayengicashe umuntu mina vele uzozifela but ngizoze ngizodla my cake. Uzozifela.
ngicela ukubuza
Like for real cause like mfisa uyenze lento leyo. Especially ngabantu abazamayo like siyazama. It's not like sibuye TV nje. Angaze ngangena TV.
Like sizama honestly like yazini abantu bayasibona like la into isuka khona uyayi understand ukuthi we've been trying. Yayibona?
Yena uyitholile chance yokufika TV. Why ke anga like umkhopolo umkhulu lo yamkhopolo lo ya. Like for that, and it's not like bekuyinto yokuthi sithola imali. It's just a talent show. Akekho umuntu ongena ngemali bangena mahala abantwana. Like for him to be like that, hi man. Like shito umuntu lo angabulala for imali because ukhona ukusafarisa abantwana abancane for imali. Because abantwana mambe bajayiva mahala. Sometimes like njengoba ngisho ukuthi uRasta bekasiza ngama in sizothi okay sizokhipha imali ethize nanani sizoyenza ibhizinisi yokuthengisa mhlambe ama-sandwich nanani ukuthi sithole imali yabo ukuthi nathi cause ibona every time
yazi ukuthi bengithengisa ama-bravo rolls namabheka wena
lapha yani ngisho ngiyakhumbula
angisho
ngiyakhumbula
ngiyayitsho imi ngikhoyikhayile-ke bengithengisa phela ngithi mina esikoleni
lona uthengisa iba
Joyimi angayizi mina bengisayibengingake Joyimi sithengisa mas
Jamie
bayislida ngamavayini amaphoyisa bas
Jamie Andy why
Joyimi uyadlala wena basilanda ngama-convoy amaphoyisa asilande nge-convoy
mina
ngeke ngikhohle yambona lo bhutlan lo ebekaguga abantu angidlali liyambona ukuthi
no azine asimyeke lo mfana singasakhulumi ngaye kahle usayithana ezimo isilo muntu
nyayi
hayi ngeke
can we please have a break?